everyone, what's up? This is Freya from Advanced Learning, and today we're going to be learning about polygons in geometry. So even though we're going to be talking about geometry specifically in this video, I am going to be revealing the definitions of other words like line, angle, triangles, quadrilaterals with polygons, which is the rest of the geometry. So now let's get started. So first I'm going to tell you guys the definition of line. So a line is a straight, need to remember straight, I don't know what that is. So, is a straight, one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending infinitely in both directions. So that's lines. And now, but if you guys, I forgot to tell you guys, so this is how you represent a line. Because you can't just go make a line from left to right straight across. That is not a proper line, but it does not matter because that's not what we're talking about. So these arrows represent the infinitely part in this definition. So now that we're done with lines, we're going to go on to angles. So angles, or angle that I wrote over here, is the space usually measured in degrees between two intersecting lines or surfaces, or close to the point where they meet. So that means like this. So this is an angle. More specifically, a right angle, because it has 90 degrees over here. And if you guys want to know more about that, make sure to click the link in the description below. So this is an acute angle. Again, if you want to know more about that, click the link. So, and this is an obtuse angle. Same thing I'm going to say. Click the link if you want to know more. That's going to be like 110. So that is an angle. These are all angles. Now we're going to go on to triangles. So a triangle is done. That's a triangle. Triangle is a shape with three sides. Done. So now we're going to go on to quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals are quadrilaterals are any shape. So you need to remember the any part. I don't know what that is. Any, so quadra, oh my god. Okay, so let me write this. Quadrilaterals, any, remember that, shape with four sides. So this is a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral, you get it. So now we're going to go on to polygons, which is what we're going to be focusing on in this video right now. So polygons are a closed shape with straight sides and no curves. So let's take an example. Let's say a square. Is it a closed shape? You need all three of these. So is it a closed shape? Yes. Does it have straight sides? Yes. Does it have any curves? Nope. So that is a polygon. That can be classified as a proper polygon. So let's take another example. This. So is it a closed shape? Nope. Does it have straight sides? Nope. Does it have no curves? Nope. So that is not a polygon, even if the shape was closed and it was actually looking like a circle. I don't know, just pretend that's a circle. It'll be a closed shape, but none of these, none of these. So that's why you have to follow those three rules in order to be a polygon. So now let's dive deeper into the polygon part. So these are a few examples of a polygon, and you might realize that each of them are 5 or more sides, because if it's 4 sides or 3 sides, then you might guys just not to mix it up with quadrilaterals and triangles, I made it 5 sides and more. So these are not the only polygons there are. They are just a few examples. So pentagon is the first one. And then there's hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon. So these are all I listed over here. But I know ones that go even more, like decagon for 10 sides, hendecagon for 11 sides, dodecagon for 12, tridecagon for 13, and so on. I only know until 22. There's that many polygons. So I'm talking about the sides, like 22 sides. So they each have different names, and they are all considered as polygons because they are a closed shape. They have no side curves. Actually, I'm going to write it over here. Let me get what that closed shape, straight sides, no curves. I'm just going to write that again over here. Closed shape 1, 2, straight sides, and number 3, no curves. So pentagon is a closed shape, straight sides, no curves. Hexagon, closed shape, straight sides, no curves. Heptagon, closed shape, straight sides, no curves. Octagon, closed shape, straight sides, no curves. Nonagon, closed shape, straight sides, no curves. So that's like all you need to know. You just have to keep those 3 in mind, and that will determine which is a polygon and which is not. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like this video if you liked it. Make sure you share this video to your family and friends, or anybody that wants to know about geometry, more specifically polygons. Or you could share the links in the description below, which is about lines and angles in geometry, triangles in geometry, and quadrilaterals in geometry. And make sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, you'll see a bell icon. When you click that bell icon, you'll get notified whenever I post new videos. That is it. Thank you so much for watching.